Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Telba Wot, a delicious and healthy Ethiopian flaxseed stew. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a flavorful result. We will start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, focusing on fresh aromatics and high-quality ground flaxseed. This dish is known for its rich texture and deep, savory taste, making it a wonderful addition to any meal. Now, let's begin by preparing the flavorful base for our Telba Wot. Take one large red onion, finely chop it, and sauté it in a pot with a splash of oil until it becomes beautifully translucent. Next, incorporate 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Continue cooking these aromatics for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, allowing their wonderful fragrances to develop fully. With our aromatic base ready, it is time to build the stew. Carefully stir in 1 cup of finely ground flaxseed along with 1 teaspoon of authentic Berbere spice for that signature Ethiopian flavor. Slowly pour in 3 cups of warm water or vegetable broth, making sure to stir continuously to prevent lumps. Allow the mixture to gently simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until it achieves a rich, thick consistency. For the final touches, taste your Telba Wot and adjust the seasoning with salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper as needed. You can garnish this delightful stew with some fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of color and freshness, or a drizzle of traditional niter for added richness. Serve your warm Telba Wot alongside injera, the classic Ethiopian flatbread, or with a simple side of rice for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.